Good day, class. I am Sir Ruel Alidon Oreta, your new teacher for today. Class, are we settled? Before we start our class, please stand up for our prayer. Okay, you may take your seats. Before anything else, we are going to check your attendance. If your name is called, please say present. Abinke, present. Bordeos, okay? And Laha, okay. So, clap your hands because 100% of you are present today. Everyone, our learning competency, it is to execute the skills involved in sports. And our learning objectives are, at the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify arnis, striking 12 striking techniques, perform the basic skills of chosen target games, appreciate the importance of arnis 12 striking techniques. I have here a class rules that you are going to follow. Okay? My rules are, number 1, who can read? Okay, very good. Avoid unnecessary movements. Number 2, raise your hand if you want to answer. Number 3, minimize the noise, standing, and transferring of places. Are we clear? Number 4, ask permissions if you want to go out. Number 5, practice cooperation always, especially in group activity. Are we clear in our rules? Very good. Before we are going to start our class, I have here an activity for you to engage in. Activity time. Our activity is called Guess Me. Direction. Guess the picture. Again, you are going to guess the picture that I am going to show you on the screen. Are we clear? Okay. The first picture is, who can guess the first picture? Yes, Abinke? Alright, you are correct. It is arnis. The next picture. And who can guess the second picture? Laha? Yes, it is grip. Very good. I'll show you the third picture. Who can guess? Yes, correct. It is handa. Next picture. Who can guess what image are being shown? Okay, very good. It is pugay. Okay, the next picture. Who can guess? Yes, very good. It is the fighting stance. Okay, next. Can anyone tell what is in the picture? Okay, the man is doing a forward stance. Very good. Next picture. What can you see in the picture? Anyone? Yes? Alright, you are correct. It is backward stance. Clap your hands for guessing it right. Okay, class, we have another activity. And our activity is called Who I Am. The mechanics of our activity, guess my parts to reveal me. So what it means to say, guess my parts to reveal me? We will know it. My parts are frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Which part of the body it is to be found? Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Okay? Very good. It is the head part of our body. You can see in the screen. Next. My parts are sclera, cornea, fovea, optic nerves, and lens. So which part of the body are you going to find these words? Okay, anyone who can tell? Yes, it is on our eyes. Very good. Next. My parts are shoulder, chest, arms, elbow, and forearms. So which part of the body are you going to find these words? And you can find these words on our body trunk. You can see it in the picture. That is our body trunk. Next, my parts are fundus, cardia, pylorus, and antrum. Which in the body parts are you going to find these words? You can find this on our here, on our stomach, or in our abdomen part of the body. Okay? Now, the last one, my parts are thighs, knees, calf, shin, and ankle. Okay, which part of the body can you find these names? Anyone? Okay, very good. It is to be found on our legs. Based on our activity a while ago, what body parts are being mentioned? Anyone who can answer? Yes, eyes, shoulders, very good. Legs, very good. Knees, shins, very good. What do you think is the connection of these body parts and our lesson for today? Yes, very good. Based on our activity, I have here a picture. So you can see on the screen the body parts. So, amo ni siya, ang head, ang eyes, body trunk or torso, atong gihambal ko kagina sa inyo, ang stomach. Amo ni siya, ang stomach na yon sa may tiyan or solar plexus. And the lower parts are legs. Are we clear? Yes. Okay, class, what do you think are being shown on the screen? Anyone? Yes, combat, sports, harness. Very good. So, before we are going to discuss combative sports, harness, and new, we will be having another group activity. The mechanics of our group activity, each group will have its own corresponding activity to accomplish. Group will be given 5 minutes each to finish the task handed. 2 minutes in presenting their works. Work collaboratively and cooperatively in finishing the activity. Class, I want you to group yourselves into 4. Can you count 1 to 4? Starting from here. Okay, count now. Now you have 4 groups. So, group 1, diri. Dito ang group 2, group 3, and group 4. Please settle down. Group 1, here's your task that you're going to do. So your title is Puzzle Me Up. There will be 3 sets of scrambled pictures. Complete the right image by puzzling up the scrambled pictures. Work together in doing tasks. You only have 3 minutes in finishing the job and 2 minutes for presentation. So here's your envelope. Get it? So you can see there the materials in your activity. So group 2, here is your activity titled Know Me. So what the things are you going to do? There will be 3 sets of pictures inside of the envelope. By using your keen eyesight, looking each picture and examine thoroughly. So lantawon nyo dira kung ano ang picture nga nabutang sa sulod sang envelope. Gather all your observations and come up with a simple definition or description about the picture. Mahatag ka mo simple na definition nga inyo makita or ma-provide or maintindihan sa sinang picture nga gihatag ko sa inyo. Okay? You only have 3 minutes in finishing the job and 2 minutes for presentation. As kung ano man ang sa group 1. Next, group 3. Here is your activity. Act me out. So read the description given on each striking techniques. Based on your collaborative understanding, interpret the said striking techniques. Okay, based on your idea or pag-intindi, interpret nyo kung ano ang striking techniques nga makita nyo sa sulod sang envelope or in the image. You only have 3 minutes in finishing the job and 2 minutes for presentation. Next, group 4. Your activity is move on. There are 3 sets of pictures. Using the movements, steps, instances that you can see on the pictures provided, craft a simple dance and 32 counts. Ano ko no? Ang makita nyo sa sulod sang envelope ng mga pictures, using the movements or mga steps, stances, maobra ka mo sang simple lang na saot na may 32 counts. Gets? You only have 3 minutes in finishing the job and 2 minutes for presentation. Are we clear for the instructions? Okay, very good. Your time starts now. Time's up. It's time for a group presentation. Are you ready? So, the presentation starts with group 1. Okay, thank you so much, group 1. Clap your hands. Next presenter, group 2. Okay, clap your hands, everyone. Good job, group 2. Group 3. You may present your work. Okay, very good, group 3. Now, let's have the last group, which is the group 4. Present now your activity. Very good. Clap your hands, everyone, for doing well in this activity. So I have here a guided questions. How did you find the activity? Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. I have another question for you. What are the striking techniques that you perform? Again, what are the striking techniques that you perform a while ago based on your activity? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. All right. How many striking techniques are there? 10? 11? Anyone? 12? Very good. What is the stance that is being used in performing the 12 striking techniques? Ano ko no? What is the stance that is being used in performing the 12 striking techniques? Okay, very good. Is it vital for you to learn these 12 striking techniques? And why? Yes, it is for self-defense. Very good. For sports. Yes, very good. we are going to discuss the combative sports, arnis, anyo. What are the striking techniques? Here is the definition. Striking techniques. Who can read? Very good. Hitting the vital points of the body as a target by means of slashing, stabbing, and thrusting action. Slashing, stabbing, and thrusting action. All techniques are performed with a fighting stance. Ano kono fighting stance? Ready. You are preparing yourselves to fight. The first striking technique, left side of the head attack. Assume a fighting stance. Stick held at 1 o'clock, slashing action. Free hand on chest. Muna siya. Muna sa ang ST1. Gets? ST2 or striking technique number 2. Right side of the head attack. Antong una, left side of the head attack. Now, number 2, right side of the head attack. Assume a fighting stance. Stick held at 11 o'clock, slashing action. Free hand on chest. Diri ka naman niya. Kung diri, ang SD1, ang SD2, diri naman. Gets? Striking technique number 3. Left side of the body, trunk, attack. Extend weapon hand, striking any part of the trunk. Between the shoulder and hip joints, slashing actions against the outer part of the trunk. So din ganin trunk ta, amo ina diri. Gets? So, left side of the body trunk, left kuno, diri. Body trunk, left side of the body trunk. Diri, ayun. So, let's move on. ST4 or striking technique number 4. Right side of the body trunk, attack. The same with ST3 but on the right side. Diri ang ST, striking technique number 3. Diri naman ang striking technique number 4. Gets? Striking technique number 5. Thrust the solar plexus, stomach, attack. Thrust weapon hand towards the target point or solar plexus. At ganing solar plexus, amo ang aton nga stomach. Gets? So, ano ko no? Thrust weapon hand towards the target point. Muna siya, ang movement, pa-buno. Gets? Pabuno thrusting. Follow through with upward movement. Upward movement. Pamo na siya, pero diri ang target points. Okay, gets? Alright, next is our striking technique number 6. Left chest stab. Di naman ko no, sa chest. Ayun. Okay, assume fighting stance. Ano naman na, ready, assume. A fighting stance. Extend weapon forward, palm facing outward. Ga atubang imo nga palad pagwa. Pamo ni. Elbow up. Ga sa imo elbow, pamo ni. Gets? That is striking technique number 6, left chest stab. Next. Striking technique number 7, right chest stab. Assume fighting stance. Scooping action, extend weapon hand forward, palm facing outward, keep elbow down. Kung ang ST6, gaamo na siya pag-stab. Ang ST7 or striking technique number 7, mapaamo naman siya pakadto sa right chest. Scooping. Scooping. Gets? ST8, lower leg strike. Left lower leg strike. Ang ST8, amo naman siya ang target mo sa leg. Left leg. Lower the body. Lower the body. Extend weapon hand to hit any part of the lower leg between knee and ankle joint. Gets? Sa din ko no? Lower leg between the knee and ankle joint. So diri sa parts sang tibia and fibula. Palm upward. Upward naman ang imong nga palad. Ipamo ni. Ipamo na siya. Paguno. Next, ST9. Right lower leg strike. Lower the body. Extend weapon hand to hit any part of lower leg between knee and ankle joint. Gets? Ang man sa gyapon. Diri sa may fibula and tibia mo nga part. Palm downward naman siya. Diri. Gets? So, striking technique number 10. Left eye poke. Ano ko no? Left eye poke. Sa mata naman siya nakafocus. Yung mga target amo ang mata. Assume fighting stance. Naman eh. Ang fighting stance. Ready. Ina-ready mong imo ko galingon. Extend weapon hand forward. Palm facing outward. Naman eh. Palm facing outward. So, ang imo target is ang mata. Mune? Mune gali. Mune? Dayon, ang ST11, right eye. Right eye, dari naman din. So, assume fighting stance again. Extend weapon hand forward. Palm facing outward. Paano naman siya? Pamune. Next, the last striking technique is striking technique number 12, crown attack. Hack against the top of the head. Goon mong iya nga ulo. Pamune. Gets? So those are the 12 striking techniques. So what are the 12 striking techniques in arnis again? Anyone who can elaborate the 12 striking techniques? Yes? Very good. Very good. Crown attack. Right eye poke. Very good. Very good. Okay, we may proceed to the next question. What body parts serve as a target points of arnis striking techniques? So ano ko no ang mga target body parts or target points sa arnis striking techniques? Ito ganyan sa sugod. Ang head, very good. Ang eyes, very good. Ang shoulder, ang body trunk, very good. Our stomach, yes. Our legs, very good. Next question. Why do you think these body parts are the target points of arnis striking techniques? Na ako no amo ini ang target points sa arnis. Anyone can give idea of this question? Nga amo ini ang target points sa arnis. Yes, exactly. That is the weak point. Those are the weak points of our body. Now, in order for you to further understand or to further see these 12 striking techniques, I am going to show you the actual video or the performance of these 12 striking techniques. Okay, let's watch. that was the 12 striking techniques of Ernest Anyo. So, I have a question for you. How are these 12 striking techniques improves your health status? Very good, kaya nag-engage sa physical activity. Yes, very good because of training. Yan, very good. How Ernest 12 striking techniques can save your life from danger? Paano bala ka mo luwason sa 12 striking techniques kung may ma-encounter ka mo dira sa dalanon? Anyone? Okay, very good. Good answers. Okay, good. Yes, very good. For self-defense. Okay? Tandaan nyo ang Ernest, isa sa pinaka-importante man nga sports, combative sports na makabulig sa aton in case of danger sa mga tao nga may mga lain nga tuyo sa aton. Example, kung galakat ka sa dalan, may makasugata ka dira nga mga malain nga taho nga sakiton ka, you can always have the opportunity. You can always see some stakes na pwede mo mapangbato. At least you know how to perform the right 12 striking techniques para mas ma-defense mo ang imo kaugalingon bato sa mga malain nga tao. Okay, next. You are going to have a group performance. So same group lang tagyapon. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. So anong himuon nyo sa subong? Ang himuon nyo, you are going to perform sa tunga sang 12 striking techniques. Okay? Each group will perform Ernest, as what I have said, 12 striking techniques based on the rubrics given. So I will be presenting to you the rubrics of your performances. Criteria: accuracy, organization of movements, participation and teamwork, and the overall or the total of your points. Excellent, 10 to 8 points. Perform movements with precision. Always performs movement in proper order. Demonstrate excellence, effort, and enthusiasm, and performs with proper coordination with group. Proficient, 7 to 5 points. Perform movements with minimal precision. Frequently perform movements proper order. Demonstrate good effort and enthusiasm and performs with proper coordination with group. Adequate, 4 to 3 points. Performs movements with some mistakes. Rarely perform movements proper order. Demonstrate inconsistent effort or enthusiasm and performs with proper coordination with group. Limited, 1 point. Lacks knowledge in the given skills. Never performs movements in proper order. Demonstrates with little effort or enthusiasm and never performs with proper coordination with the group. Are we now clear with our rubrics? Very good. You can proceed to your activity. I will be giving you 5 minutes to perform or to review what are the 12 striking techniques. I will be giving you 3 minutes to review the 12 striking techniques in order for you to perform in the center. Okay, now it's the time for you to showcase what have you learned about Ernest, especially the 12 striking techniques. Okay, very good. You may now sit down and clap your hands for doing a great job and for applying those 12 striking techniques in your life. Our 12 striking techniques. Thank you for the learnings that you always put on your mind. News flash update. Your assignment for today. Mechanics. Craft a short article, news showing an event where Ernest's 12 striking techniques are present. So, in your assignment, mangita ka mo sang short article sa news nga nagapakita sa Ernest's 12 striking techniques. Okay? Any question? Violent reaction? No? You are now dismissed. Thank you.